Hello guys, so today I will show you how to make use a slider widget in our Flutter project. So you can see the output will be display preview. Okay, so let's code and first create new dart file. Name is a slider widget. Okay, import material, then create a stateful widget and name class is a slider widget. Return is scaffold in app bar. Title, set a title name is a slider widget, and style text style color is a white, and background color set is a blue. So run this. Okay, main.dart. Write a name is a class name of this dart file slider widget and import this library and click on the run button. So run this, see the output. Run is perfectly, center title is true, and the title is a center. Okay, and the body I will use a column, and the column use a children is a list of widgets, so I can use a slider two required field. First is value and on change, so I will create a double. Current value is equal to 20 and use this value here, current value, and I'll use in the on change current value is equal to value. You can write on change brackets in anything, work with perfectly. So error will be display minimum and maximum value is not here, so I can create a minimum and maximum value. Maximum is 100 and minimum is 10, and control S the run perfectly, and slider will be display. This is a not change. Okay, so some problem. Okay, division is 13. Division means which part, how many parts in divide the slider. I can write a 13. Add a label. Label is current value dot round dot toString. Okay, some problem. This is 30 current value. Okay, I will found my problem. I can don't use a set state. I will use a set state. So solve this problem now. And okay, solution. This problem will be solved. Use a set state in this on change thumb color, which means rounded color. I will use lime. Inactive color is orange, and active color is green. Okay. Perfectly will be running. Maximum alignment, main axis alignment and cross will be center. I can use a speaker icon, color blue, and size will be 30. Okay, with 5 and text. I will create a volume type. So style text style, font size 22. Okay, 20. Okay, perfectly then working. Okay, so I'll use a text. In the text volume, style text style, font size I can increase this font size 22. Okay, so this is a perfectly run. So thank you watching this video.